Okay, so let's jump into the box. Again, this is the HF96. There's an HF96V. I've reviewed a bunch of HSFTools on this channel. So just want to walk you through this. Ruin the box either. Cut the tape on both sides. There we go. So it's going to come with a manual, walks you through all of the different settings. Again, this is a 240 by 240 pixel thermal camera. As far as the screen, you can take screenshots, display options, you can set your image mode. So we'll jump into all of that. So here it is right out of the box. Then you'll have this little protector for the screen, LCD screen. I'm just going to pull that off, throw that away, and then set that right there. Here, you're going to have your charger. So move that out of the way. Again, you have a USB to USB-C, or I like this, the way that they've done this is this little cap comes off it. You can do USB-C to USB-C or USB to USB-C. So this is how you would charge this. So let's see if it has a charge. So you've got your power on button right here. Nice, clean LED screen. So let's just walk you around a couple spots. So I'm going to take you into kind of our heater room that's got our air conditioner, our heater, water softener. Then I'll take you upstairs, show you outside. You can see kind of where some of the air is coming out, different things like that. So again, you have a lot of options. So emissivity, distance, display settings, hot, cold, center parameters. So we can go back. You've got color distribution. You can do super resolution. You can turn that on or off. So you have a bunch of different settings here. You can go to your palettes, white hot, black hot, rainbow, red hot, fusion. Again, we're just selecting up and down with these two buttons and going back with the back button. So again, I'm going to go down to palettes. See black hot, and you can see this is almost like grayscale. So I'm going to keep it on probably red. We go to, let's see here on our palettes. Go rainbow. Yeah. So we'll go rainbow, and then let's jump over and show you just some images that you can get with this, different things like that, and we will go from there. So again, we're in the basement of our home. So you can see right here, I'm pointing at the electrical box on the wall. You can see there's heat coming out of there because all the electricity is coming in, especially at the top right there. You can also see where the air conditioner, right? The lights, right? Obviously you can see there. So let's go into kind of our room right here. Let's see, get close up. There we go. So you can see there's our air conditioner right up here. Got our tankless water heater, if I focus in on that, hopefully. Let me adjust this so I can. There we go. So you can see that hot line going out. Hot water there. The other thing I love about these, you can see pretty much any pipe, right? You can see different temperatures in the walls as we go through. I've shown you on other versions here where you can even see upstairs, some of the different walls, different things like that. Again, you can see the heat and the light there. So let's pause this and show you some stuff upstairs by the doors, windows, outside. So right here, this is the front door. You can see where we've got that green. There's some heat coming in. There's the windows, they're obviously hot. You can see there's the reflection of me in the window. Then I come over here, this is our outside windows. These are newer windows, more energy efficient. But again, you can even see the temperature when we come down and look at the air conditioner and the vent that comes out. It's cooling right there on that as we change the focus. So then again, as we point outside, you can see it's outside warm like that. So this is a great tool to see if you've got water leakage, anything up in the ceilings is going to be fine, but water leakage, air, energy efficient, as a tool throughout your whole house. So we've actually done this before in a similar video with the same HFTools. And go back, and I can actually change through as I'm going through changing those color settings, just hitting the up and down arrow. And then on the front side right here is a trigger. And so when I take that trigger, it takes a screen capture, which then you can actually either upload these, download these. If you're in a business that would use this, you could send these to clients and show them what's happening around their house, whether that's energy efficient or not. And again, you just click this trigger right here. It does come with a little, on the end right here, you can see there's a tripod stand, so you could set it up on a tripod. It's got this nice handle that you can just put around your wrist. Really, really easy to use. And then right here on the top is where you would plug in that USB to connect to the computer and download those images here. There's your screen right here, all of your FCC regulations, battery, different things like that. So let me give you final thoughts. We'll turn the camera back around and we'll go from there. So final thoughts on the HFC96. I've reviewed probably 4 of these thermal cameras in the past year or so. They make a great product. They come with charger, they come with storage space. You can take the images, you can keep them, you can send them off to clients if that's what you do for work. But even just having one in your home, a couple years ago we found a water leak that we wouldn't have found without one of these. Again, they have different versions, different screen sizes, stuff like that. I'm gonna go over a little bit of the technical stuff on this final piece. And I mean, for me personally, I would have one just at my house for personal use. Obviously, if you do any sort of energy efficient related job, you would want to have this, and you probably have multiple of them. But so the infrared camera is 25 hertz infrared camera, the 96 by 96 IR resolution, the 11-hour battery life. Again, it does have the thermal imager. The degrees, it goes to -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. It's got the 3-in-1 tool. It's got a thermometer, thermal camera, and a laser pointer, all in one device. We showed you that. So it's not going to pick up. There it is right there. You can see I'm shining a laser right there. When you pull the trigger, it also takes a picture on the front side. So there's that. It also has the integrated modes right here where you just go up and down. You can take the camera, again, that stores it in the hard drive. Super easy to use. It's got 4 gigabytes of storage, which is going to give you 30,000 images before you need to empty that. Overall, it's a fantastic product. Again, I have the same review of these every time. This is fantastic. Thanks for watching.